What's up, YouTube? Guess what? How y'all doing today? I am totally at church right now. I'm looking like a boss. And, of course, I'm eating popcorn. And going to talk about CnC gaming. CnC gaming. Do not bring your watch on tomorrow, which is Monday, because you will get suspended for the rest of the freaking week. One of the shortest videos that I will ever have, because I have nothing to talk about. But I will watch the finals. I mean, not the finals, but the playoffs today. And that's really it. And I am also in the choir, which is very, very cool. And see y'all later. Peace. Bye bye.